Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prerna Sharma, and if you watched my last week's YouTube video, you would know that it was my birthday, and August has been a month of gifts for me because it was my birthday as well as there was Rakhi. So I want to go ahead and take you through all the gifts that I've received. A few of them have already been put to use, so I won't be able to show those. However, the ones that are still intact is something that I will go ahead and show it to you. So let me take you right into it. These are all the gifts that I have received in the last few days. August पूरा consider कर सकते हो, and a little of July as well, because a few were few countdown gifts that were gifted to me, few are Rakhi gifts, and the rest are my birthday gifts. Not showing off, guys. Just wanted to let you know, not showing off. And ऊपर से नजर भी मत लगाना please, क्योंकि this is like almost the first time that I've gotten so many gifts, and I just wanted to show you people. And I've been contemplating on making a YouTube video for forever now. Rakhi mein I got my brother to gift me this entire YouTuber kit so that I can shoot. So कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? यहाँ से. And should I wear my birthday sash? Should I just wear the happy birthday? And look at, can I let you? 6 seconds. And yes, let me give myself the happy birthday girl one. So let's start with the first thing I can catch. This is the flower, say a knitted flower. मैंने already सारे gifts देख लिए हैं guys, so I'm just gonna show all of this to you people because the पहली बार I didn't know what to shoot, what not to. So this is a knitted flower that my best friend gifted me. It's basically a rose which is very prettily designed and make it smell real. So this has a roll-on जो खुल नहीं रहा है, very nice. So this has a roll-on जो मैं इस flower पे लगा सकती हूँ for it to smell real. जो मैं करके देखूँगी. ये मैंने नहीं किया था. Oh, it smells nice. But this perfume has a very showroomy feel. Like it smells like showroom enter कर चुके हैं. There's all rich things around. वैसा smell है इसमें. And guess what? इसमें एक लिफाफा भी आया है जिसमें मुझे मिला है 200 rupees, which absolutely looks very real. देख लो क्या लिखा है. But yeah, this is what I've gotten. And इसके साथ there are these notes, and these are plantable papers that they've sent across, which is very sweet of them. This is a ceramic electric aroma diffuser, which looks like this. इसके अलावा I've gotten 2 aroma oils as well, Rosy Romance and English Lavender. And I apologize अगर पीछे से आवाज़ आ रहा है because I still haven't gotten wireless mic. This is a little camphor heart refreshing fragrance which repels mosquitoes and elevates mood. It is a lavender fragrance. It is, I'm not sure how it is yet because I've not tried it, but then it looks very nice. I can hang it anywhere around my bed. Hopefully from the next video you will be able to see it. But yes, I'm very excited to try this one क्योंकि कुछ mosquitoes से allergy है, like for real, इसीलिए. And this is my next box that I'm opening up. जो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम पहले मिला था I feel, but then I've not started using it, so I thought I'll still show it to you people. This is also gifted by my best friend. You are the best is what it says, which is adorable, very adorable. And इसके अलावा there are flowers in this, and there's also a candle, a scented candle. I hope scented तो नहीं है, but it looks like a flower, right? And you see this, right? This is a zipper. This is something that I got too as a countdown gift from my best friend. It says Prerna, and there's a very cute elephant here. It's a very pretty zipper, guys. She got it from F&P, personalized for me. And this is a very cute straw which definitely didn't come with the bottle. She's ordered it separately and she got it for me yesterday. And she made sure that she puts it in so that I can actually use it from day one. उसके अलावा this was the original straw which was given with this tumbler, and this is another straw that she's gotten, and this is a straw cleaner. moving on to the next one. Another, I call her Dee. Another very nice friend of mine has sent this to me. This is the octopus, obviously. Happy. Then we have the sad one. I'm happy right now, so I'll just keep this one on the top. And you won't believe it, but this is from last year. Surprise, surprise. I still have to show it to you people. This is like a set of 3, which I really loved, and my best friend remembered it and she gave to me on my birthday last year. These are astronauts, which is absolutely adorable. They look very nice, but I've not found the best place to keep it yet. इसकी वजह से ये अभी तक पैक पड़ा है. If she sees this video and she gets to know, she's definitely gonna yell at me, but I need to find the best place. And this is a keychain. This is another keychain. It's my best friend gifts दे रही है मुझे ज़्यादातर वाले. She's the one, that one. And I also have this globe light. This is actually a moon. A very good big fan of moon. So it comes with this, and इसको plug in करके इसमें light जलता है, and then we can keep that globe on top of this. तो फिर light पूरे room में तो नहीं फैलता, but it gives enough light for at least like a night lamp. This is one very thoughtful gift given by my best friend to me last year. 20 reasons why I need you. And अगर आपको इसके बारे में और जानना है, I will ask my best friend be a part of my next video and help you with knowing what comes inside that. This is a 3D massager. This is something that my sister gifted me yesterday. It's like you can keep this in your fridge, and this is like to just like tone your face and do whatever is required to massage your face. This time most of my gifts are like more of a taking care of yourself kit. This is a part of that, and I think it's gonna be amazing if I actually use it, so I'm gonna try my best to use it. And this is gua sha stones that my sister gifted me. Came with this. So this is like this wala, and you can do anything with this here. And then these are these stones that you can sculpt your face with. I've seen a lot of videos, but I don't exactly know how to use it, when to use it. And this is a very nice nail paint from Lakme in the shade. Let me search for the shade. Shade तो मुझे कहीं नहीं दिख रहा है. Nude Warmth. My mom gave this to me yesterday. And this is a knee, neck, elbow brightening roll-on from Chemist Play. It smells amazing. I can't guarantee as to how it works because I've not used it, but then it smells amazing. It smells lemony. And then I have this 3 sets of Puma socks, 3 different colors, because I am always in need of socks. And now we have this. Just look at this. Just look at this for 2 minutes. Candy Bella. It looks amazing. अंदर से और भी ज़्यादा amazing दिख रहा है. Let me just quickly show this to you people. This is the compact. It's like a gel compact for someone with oily skin like me. I think it should work well for me because the normal compact doesn't work, and the dermat told me not to use it. So I've not been using compact. But then, knowing the fact that we have oily skin, like I have oily skin, I need to make sure that oil doesn't clog up, and that keeps clogging up because I'm not using compact. So maybe this can come to my rescue. So this is like इसको छुपाना होता है ना? This is like a blue and white thing, and then this one is super cute. It says on pineapple. I don't really like pineapple, but it is what it is, and it's very nice. I just can't keep this inside, I feel, because this is all gel. So मुझे नहीं पता how good it is, but I'm liking how it feels. It feels nice. I don't know how well it will work for me, but let's try. Maybe eventually someday I might give you a review that this is the best product I've found, or maybe not. This is from Derma Touch, which is a hair growth spray, because every girl these days needs it because of the corporate stress that we go through, or any stress in general. So this is like a spray that I can spray into my scalp and like massage my head so that मेरे बाल मेरे साथ ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए रहे. And this was gifted to me by my sister. This mummy gave me, and this is a Carafine hair serum. this is something that my best friend uses a lot, and then she thought that let me gift me the same thing because it works well for both of our hair. ये मुझे राखी पे मिला था. This is a very cute avocado this सीरम बोलने वाली थी ना, but this is a very cute avocado cable protector. इस चीज़ को लगाने में मुझे 1 घंटा लगा था, but however it looks very nice. It is very pretty. This my sister gave it to me on Rakhi, and this is a fast charge cable from Basics. Like this is a iPhone cable. I recently got it. Mom got it for me. So extra cable for iPhone users is never too bad. This is Conscious Chemist's Daily Dissolve Ultra Light Oil Cleanser. Contains 100% natural origin plant oils. इसका मैंने बहुत advertisement देखा था. Obviously, Instagram algorithm just showing me a lot of Conscious Chemist. So this is like an oil which you can use for removing waterproof makeup and impurities. So जो मैंने देखा था उसमें people are taking this out and just rubbing it on their skin, and you can see like all kind of impurities coming out. So let's give it a try, and I will let you know if it works. This I got on my birthday from my sister. This I got from my sister on Rakhi. This is a Lakme Skin Perfect Collection Sun Expert Invisible Sun Stick. SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. That's 4 plus after PA. So here, this is the Lakme Sun Stick, and it came with this cute band, which I can apparently put it on my tumbler. बहुत सुंदर दिखता है. मैंने ट्राई कर लिया है वो डाल के. अगर आपको देखना है तो मैं पिक्चर अटैच कर सकती हूँ. And this is what the sunscreen is. It looks amazing, guys. ऐसे ही melt in हो जाता है. I'm not sure if you're able to see, but it melts in. It's not at all a trouble, and it comes with this cute dhakkan. And I can close it. Yay! Soulflower Farm to Face Clean Beauty Aroma Indulge. So this is a potpourri. All of this is lavender. So this is a lavender essential oil potpourri, and then this is lavender aroma oil, and I also got lavender bath salt, lavender aroma body oil, and skin lavender soap. This is from Pepperly. Again, my best friend gifted this to me. She's gifted me 2 iPhone covers. This is the one with water. It's purple in color. I think she's liking purple these days. I didn't notice, but a lot of it is purple. But this looks nice, very pretty. And that was the first cover. And the second cover is beautiful, guys. This is the cover. It has this thing on top of it. Not very friendly for daily use. I would drop my phone 100 times if I keep using this, which is why I just took it out of my phone. But yeah, these are 2 of those, and this is, let me try doing, premium packaging kind of a thing. So this is from Theatre. It is the, भूल गई मैं इसका नाम क्या था. Let me quickly check. Sheer Fur Stocking is what this is. It is this, and can be worn under dresses. This was gifted to me by my brother. So when this was delivered, we got a pre-usage care instructions on WhatsApp from them, telling how to use it and how to go about it. Very nice, guys. I really wanted it for a very long time. So let's see how much I use it. Ta-da! And this is a bathrobe. This is something that my sister gifted me, a purple colored bathrobe, and I also got a white t-shirt जो मैंने ये भी मम्मी ने दिया है. I thought I'm ordering an M, but it came as an M itself, but it was an oversized t-shirt जो मैंने clearly ठीक से देखा नहीं था. But yeah, this is something that I wanted, and I also got this from mommy. This is a Lyra white color legging. I wanted this because this has pockets, and which girl doesn't want to have pockets when she's wearing kurta? There are a few chocolates. There's Milky Mist, Capella, milk chocolate. There's Nutties. ये पापा ने दिया. ये Cadbury Nutties. One of my brothers gifted it to me, and these are 2 coffee sachets from Vietnam. One of my team member gifted it to me, And these are a few chocolates that one of my team member got it from Malaysia. I'm dropping it. This is strawberry marshmallow. This is Cocoa Twins. This is another wafer chocolate, jelly, and lollipop. And then I also have a 5-star Oreo here. This is the YouTuber kit I was telling you people about. So this has a ring light which is RGB as well as warm white and neutral. This has those, and this is the selfie stick that my phone is on right now, so I can't really show that to you. This my brother gave it to me on Rakhi, and this is what my dad gifted. Late aaya, aaj aaya, and that's purely because of lifestyle. Late आया क्योंकि हमने deliver किया था. It was supposed to be delivered on 15th, but it was delivered today. But the shoes are nice, very nice. They are from Puma, and how pretty are they? Gonna start using them right away from tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. And this is the Ferrero Rocher. That's one of the same beautiful soul who gifted me this as well, and she gave me flowers as well. यहाँ रखा नहीं है. It's obviously in the vase outside. And another best friend of mine has given me this Off Duty jeans. Fits me like a dream, guys. This is the boot one minute. This is their black boot cut flare high waist jeans. Wanted this forever, so my friend has finally gifted it to me. So this is like wash bag, and it has like 3 sizes. Very convenient for me when I travel, so making my life easier. Definitely. Thank you. This is three bags here. Another same person gifted me one more thing, which is very nice. It's so soft, so nice, and it has this pouch, and it has this entire thing inside. So I can put my makeup brushes here, जो मैं use नहीं करती हूँ, so I'll instead put काजल, lipstick, वगैरह. And इधर there are pockets to keep all my makeup stuff. So if I'm not in a mood to carry that one, I can definitely carry this one because it looks so fancy. And moving on to the next one. This is a love story by Kimrika. This is given to me by a very cute part of my life. That's my best friend's daughter, Myra. And this contains the hand cream, body wash, bathing bar, body lotion, and bath salt. All of them in jasmine fragrance. This is from Hyphen. Very nice. Here I have this hydrating ceramide toner essence from Hyphen for toning my face before I do the skincare part of it. And usse pehle definitely I'll use the clarifying acne cleanser because I have an acne prone skin. So pehle this, and then I'll use the toner, and then I'll use the Acne Defense Daily Serum, and then I have this Sun Milk 100% Mineral Sunscreen SPF PA++++, 4 pluses, for my general day-to-day. And this is a Golden Hour Glow Serum SPF 50 PA++++, again 4 pluses, for the days that I want to glow and I want to look all pretty. And this is an absolutely gorgeous kurti set from Surti Silk. I don't know how, but I and my best friend loved their designs, and we finally had the guts to order it for each other. So this is a very magenta pink, is what I would say. Suit, very pretty. Looks a lot like red. I'm sure camera TV a lot of you would tell it looks like red, but it's not red, guys, just letting you know. And this is the pant. It has this beautiful, my god, first time on camera can be very difficult. A beautiful this thing on the bottom. Looks very pretty. This is from Skin by Titan, the Pristine perfume. This is something that my mom gifted me back in November, and I got this perfume from one of my team members back in May, I think. So this is a Mukhala Sara perfume. Smells amazing. All of them smell amazing, guys. This is from Dubai. I have this Gucci Flora Gorgeous Magnolia perfume, which one of my team members got for me from Malaysia. This is how it looks. Beautiful. अभी तो मेरे पास जगह नहीं है सब रखने का, but I'm so thankful I have such great people around me. And this is the Lady Boss Nafisa perfume that one of my friends gifted me. This is how it looks. This is also from Dubai, and that is it from here. I have just two more things to show you people, so let me quickly show that to you people. This is a very nice cup set, pretzel and bagel quirky ceramic mug set from Glips Homes. Let me show you how they look. Very aesthetic. This is how this one looks. This looks like a bagel and this looks like a pretzel. This is how it is. इसमें उंगली घुसाना बहुत मुश्किल है. You can just like hold it like this or maybe put your little finger here and इसमें 2 या 3 fingers घुसेंगे, but this is how it is. Moving on to my last gift that I just got. Not just, ये भी राखी का gift है. I'll quickly show it to you if I have some space to keep this. So this is the bag. ये मेरे से फिर से शूट तो नहीं होगा गाइस, तो जितना भी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ यही है. This is from Miragio. A very pretty bag. Loving it. Design मैंने finalize किया था, but it was my Rakhi gift. This is the thing that I can hang on to myself. And ये सारा paper निकालने के बाद I can show you what is inside. So inside here there's this laptop pouch, and then there is this compartment for keeping my cards and my pen. I don't know अगर आप लोगों को दिख रहा है. And then there is this big zip and this big pockets, and there's something like this to maybe hang my keys or something, that so that I don't miss it. So I have made a lot of mess. I will have to clean all of this up. So I think this is it guys. I will meet you in my next video, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video guys. Have a lovely day ahead. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for such amazing content coming your way. Bye bye.